Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to sit down and play with makeup on this rainy day. I have been locked inside just like everyone else in the world, and I just wanted to kind of brighten up my day with a little makeup. And I actually just received my Boxycharm beauty subscription in the mail this morning, so I wanted to bust this out and use a lot of the products that I got in this month's subscription. So if you want to see how I created this look and what I got in this month's Boxycharm, then keep watching. I'm starting off with the skin, and in this month's Boxycharm I received 3 Tony Moly Ariel sheet masks, and these all do different things for the skin. I chose the one that helps to calm the skin. If you guys haven't used a sheet mask before, these are amazing, and they also smell really good. They do tons of different things for your skin, so especially during the times right now, they're really great to put on to de-stress and relax. And I just kept this on for about 20 minutes. After your time is up, go ahead and remove the sheet mask, and what I like to do is rub in the rest of the product that's left on my face from the mask, just to make sure my skin absorbs all the good ingredients. Now I'm going to prep my skin with the brand new Benefit Cosmetics, the Porefessional Hydrate Primer. So this instantly moisturizes and refreshes the skin. Primers are just going to make your foundation stay all day, so it's definitely a must. Now I'm going to quickly, magically put on my foundation and move on to the next step. Before I start the eyes, I'm just going to put a little setting powder underneath to catch any fallout. So I'm going to use the Zoeva eyeshadow palette, and this one has a bunch of beautiful like peach and caramel tones. I'm going to start off with this one right here, and I'm just blending this back and forth in my crease with a blending eyeshadow brush. Now I'm going to add some depth with this darker shadow, which has more of like a warm brown tone to it, and I'm going to sweep that in my crease. In the outer corner, I'm just going to apply this dark brown shadow just to add a little bit more of a smoky look in the outer corners, and then just blend all of that out. This is such a gorgeous color in the palette. It's very bronzy and kind of like a rose gold undertone. And I just put this across my lid in the inner corner to the center of my lid, which will give like a very soft cut crease look. Next, I'm going to use my favorite mascara from Maybelline and just apply a few coats to my top lashes. Now I'm going to apply a set of falsies. These are Cocoa Lashes in Venus, just to bump up the eye look. Now I'm just going to dust off that setting powder that we use under the eye to catch any fallout and move on to the rest of the complexion. And I'm just going to bronze up my skin with this Anastasia Beverly Hills bronzer, and then I'm just going to sculpt my cheekbones, add a little color to my cheeks, and then we're going to move on to the eyeshadow again. I'm just placing the same color we used in the crease underneath the lower lashes, just to kind of give you that blown out smoky eyeshadow look, and make sure you blend those edges. And then I just added the darker brown closest to my lashes just to kind of smoke it up and give my lashes a little bit more definition. Now I'm going back in with that mascara and adding quite a few coats of mascara to my lower lashes to make them nice and full. Moving on to the brows, I'm taking the Benefit Precisely My Brow Pencil just to define and shape my brows. And I've been chillin', watching the ocean with you, baby, up with this is another product I got from this month's Boxycharm. This is the iconic London Liquid Illuminator. This stuff is amazing. It's super concentrated and pigmented. You can use it for a liquid highlight on your cheeks. You can mix it with your moisturizer, put it on your body. It's definitely multifunctional, but it'll give you like a perfect glow. Now moving on to the lips, I'm just going to line my lips with one of my favorite nudes, and then apply this lipstick that I got in this month's Boxycharm from Dose of Colors, just to add kind of a pink tint to my lips. Alright you guys, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial using all the products I got in my subscription from Boxycharm, and if you guys want to check it out, I will leave a lot of information down below on where you can get your own monthly subscription from Boxycharm. There will be a link below. And during times right now where we're kind of locked inside, I know for me it makes me feel better when I just kind of put on a little makeup, and it makes me feel like I can take on the day. So if you want to just get a box filled with makeup every month, then definitely check out Boxycharm. It's definitely one of my favorite beauty subscriptions out there. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and how this look came out, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Take it in, we a life like high